Customers of Equity Bank's mobile money service, Equitel, will now enjoy mobile banking transactions after a court case under Judge Lenaola determined that Equity had no case to answer. Data analyst and Equity Bank account holder Bernard Murage had filed the court case claiming the thin SIM technology had irregularities that required a technology audit. Telecom giant Safaricom was also opposed to the technology, citing unauthorized access to the underlay SIM card and configuration settings. KTN's Joy Doreen Bira has the details.
Equity Bank will now freely roll out its thin SIM card to anxiously waiting customers and provide mobile banking services after it won a court case stopping Equitel's banking services due to security threats. In his ruling, High Court Judge Isaac Lenaola declared that the petition filed in a bid to stop thin SIM rollout did not have grounds, which would warrant the court to bar the bank from competing in the lucrative mobile money transfer market.
I looked at the law and
Justice Lenaola further ruled that the security worries expressed in the case had already been addressed by the Communications Authority of Kenya, and there was a chance to rectify any breaches on the one-year trial period given by the regulator. Last year, Communications Authority Director General Francis Wangusi was quoted as having said the approval for a one-year trial given to FinServe, Equity's mobile banking subsidiary, was valid despite MP's directive to stop commercial launch of the overlay SIM card, which they claimed needed a tech audit on security features.
International standards organizations, including ETSI, have okayed the use of SIM cards, thin SIMs.
Equity Bank introduced the thin SIM technology last year after it was granted a mobile virtual operator or MVNO license by the regulator. The license allows the bank to operate a mobile network without necessarily setting up its own infrastructure. However, despite being backed by the ICT Ministry and CAK, various stakeholders, including a section of members of parliament from the National Assembly, raised concerns about the vulnerability of the technology on security, communication, interception and data communication.
The first concern was null and void.
But now, Equity winning the case means that Equitel can now go ahead and do the overlay of its thin SIM card on a pre-existing one and use it for phone services. The bank will now roll out mobile banking services on thin SIM cards to the current 420,000 subscribers. Joy Doreen Bira, KTN Friday Briefing.